kids, have you ever visited zoo or seen different wild animals? Today we are going to see an interesting jungle story of Unit 7, that is Little Tiger, Big Tiger. This story is about a little tiger who wishes to hunt and roar like a big tiger. The little tiger in the story is an interesting character. Let's have a look at the jungle he lives in. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. Kids, when you go somewhere else with your mother, you hold your mother's finger while walking. Similarly, the little tiger also remains by his mother's side. They lived near a shady jungle, and the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig when the sky was dark. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out! A tiger is coming! The samba deer bellowed, the cocker deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. When the mother tiger used to go for hunting, the langur monkey shouts loudly. What the monkey shouts? A tiger is coming. Bellowed means a deep, loud roar. The samba deer and the cocker deer roars loudly and runs away so that they can be rescued from the mother tiger. She hunted then for jungle, fall, for pheasant and for frog, or went to the rivers for fish. But she did not hunt every night. Then he hunts for fall, pheasant and for frogs and fish. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. She twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. The mother tiger laid down and waited for the dawn to hunt. The little tiger twitched the tip of the mother tiger and played and pounced on her tail again and again. Little tiger wants to play and hunt with the mother tiger. So, when he goes too far, the mother tiger calls him with a low, quiet grunt. Grunt means low sound made by an animal. Now there is an interesting scene. Let's see what difficulty the little tiger faces. One night the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it, and turned to show his mother, but she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. Mother tiger was sleeping because she got tired, and on the other hand, the little tiger saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced the frog as he chased the frog and turned to show his mother. He saw a bigger tiger than his mother near him in the jungle. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened and could not hide or run. The tiger's green eyes glistened. Glisten means to sparkle. When we see animal's eye in the dark or in the night, it sparkles like light. So it is called glisten. But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud, big tiger roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. Mother tiger arrived and filled the jungle with the roar. All the other animals in the jungle goes far away from the mother tiger. The tiger cub also liked to roar, a loud tiger cub roar, to tell the other animals in the jungle that he was there. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all, and none of them ran away. The little tiger roars as loud as a big tiger, but no one cares and hears the roar. As the months and years passes, the small tiger cub was a full-grown tiger. Now he starts hunting at night. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full-grown tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at night. When he roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. And the great big tiger that had been a small little tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself, a great big tiger smile. Now he starts hunting for game at night, and with that his roar also feared other animals in the jungle, and the great big tiger that has been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself. Now we'll see some new words. Shady. Shady means full of shade. You can see how the animals are playing in the shady jungle full of trees. Bellowed. Bellowed means a deep loud roar. A loud roar can be of any animals in the jungle. Next is twitched. Twitched means give or cause to give a shot. Means the way the young ones behave with their mother. Pounced. Pounced means spring or swoop suddenly to catch prey. See how the squirrel is pouncing on for the prey. Grunt. Grunt means make a low short sound. This grunting is usually been made by pigs. Game. Game means an activity that one engages in for fun. See how kids are playing board game. It can be any game, indoor games or outdoor games. Glistened means shine with a sparkling light. At night, when we see animals' eye, it glistens, means it shines with a sparkling light. Roared means sound of a lion or other large wild animals. Usually we know that the lion is the king of the jungle and all the animals get frightened with the lion roar. Pheasant means a large long-tailed bird native to Asia. Fowl means domesticated bird kept for its egg or flesh. So kids, this was all about our prose. Little tiger, big tiger. Thank you.